Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for honest and in-depth product breakdowns. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best resin 120-gallon deck box currently on the market. The East Oak 120-gallon deck box, bundled with a 60-gallon deck box for extra value and functionality. If you've been looking to maximize your outdoor storage while keeping style and durability intact, stay tuned because this could be the game changer your patio needs. Right out of the box, you'll notice the East Oak deck boxes come with a clean, modern gray finish. They're crafted with a mix of resin and stainless steel, giving you the perfect blend of rugged durability and visual appeal. The 120-gallon deck box feels hefty and substantial, while the 60-gallon unit is lighter but equally well built. Assembly is pretty straightforward, and with clear instructions provided, setting up should take around 20 minutes for the larger box and 10 minutes for the smaller one. Let's talk design. The 120-gallon deck box isn't just a container, it's a multi-functional piece. Built using waterproof, UV-resistant resin and reinforced with stainless steel square tubes, this deck box is made to withstand harsh weather without fading, cracking, or denting. The structure is impressively robust. The lid is equipped with hydraulic hinges to prevent sudden closure, which is a great safety feature, especially if you've got kids around. You'll also find built-in handles on both boxes for easier transportation. And here's the kicker. The larger deck box doubles as a bench, with a seating capacity of up to 880 pounds. That means it's strong enough for two adults to sit on comfortably while offering immense storage underneath. The smaller 60-gallon deck box is equally versatile and can also serve as a seat or side table, making this bundle ideal for any patio setup. With 120 gallons of space in the larger unit, there's enough room to store an entire set of patio cushions, gardening tools, sports gear, or even holiday decor. Meanwhile, the 60-gallon box is great for smaller items like pool supplies, handheld gardening tools, or even kids' outdoor toys. These boxes are a perfect solution for decluttering your outdoor space without sacrificing style or function. When it comes to outdoor storage, weatherproofing is a must. The set even includes an additional zinc alloy padlock, so your belongings are safe even when you're away. Though the boxes are solidly built, portability hasn't been ignored. With side handles and a reasonably lightweight design for their size, both deck boxes are easy to relocate. Whether you're redesigning your outdoor space or hosting a backyard party, these boxes can be moved around with minimal effort. So there you have it, the East Oak 120-gallon deck box and its 60-gallon companion. It's durable, stylish, multifunctional, and incredibly practical. Whether you're storing patio cushions, tools, or just need extra seating, this bundle delivers big on value and versatility. From weather resistance to secure locking and impressive storage capacity, it's easy to see why we're calling this the best resin 120-gallon deck box on the market.